Let's be clear about something here before we begin. Everybody is an expert, or expert enough, in at least one body of knowledge. It doesn't matter what it is. Maybe you know how to sing a little bit better than everybody else. Maybe you know your way around the basketball court. Maybe you have discovered a way of running a little bit faster. Or maybe you know how to make money with Twitter or Facebook. Regardless of who you're dealing with, everybody has at least one area of expertise. Since this is the case, did you know that people might actually pay you for your expertise? The online coaching business is a large multi-million-dollar industry. People all over the world are interested in what other people have to teach them. There is also a tremendous variety of online education platforms that help people improve their expertise in a wide range of knowledge areas. There is a tremendous demand for online coaching services because, let's face it, we live in a world that is increasingly expertise-based. The demand for online coaching services will continue to rise in the foreseeable future. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you're going to learn how to start an online coaching business. You will learn to identify what to look for in terms of opportunities and potential problems. You will understand different coaching service sales models. You can begin to understand the benefits of selling your expertise. You're going to learn exactly how to set up live one-on-one appointment systems. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing How to Start an Online Coaching Business. Turn your personal knowledge into cash. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything inside you need to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. The benefits of selling your expertise. Benefit from passive models of selling your expertise. Selling your personal expert brand. Different coaching service sales models. Sell your coaching expertise through books. Sell video courses. Sell your expertise through scheduled webinars. Live webinars. Offer one-on-one coaching. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually start selling your expertise. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to sell information you're passionate about. You want to develop a passive income stream. You know that people might actually pay for your expertise. You want to have the chance to get paid to talk about stuff you're curious about. You want to learn how to start your own online coaching business. Does this sound exactly like what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, how to start an online coaching business cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, how to start an online coaching business, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, how to start an online coaching business resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you start your own online coaching business. I'll see you on the inside.